Okay, Granny and Grandma, here are the animal noises. I had to put him in the chair because he kept on looking at the camera from my angle. And he's got a cookie, so we should have some concentration. Rory, what does the cow say?
Moo.
What does the horse say?
Neigh.
That's right.
Moo.
What does a doggy say?
Ruff, ruff.
That's right. Doggy says woof woof. What does the cat say?
Meow.
That's right. Cat says meow. And then what does the pig say?
Ack.
Oink oink.
Ack, ack.
What does the bird do?
Done.
What does the bird do?
Pay.
Flies? How does the bird fly?
Pay. Water sippy.
Oh, yeah, I'll get a water sippy in a minute.
Water.
What does the fish say?
Neigh.
The fish says neigh. What does the dinosaur say? Oh, wow, so scary. Can you say hi to Granny and Grandma?
Hi.
Say hi, who's.
Ha-hoo.
Can you say your name? What's your name?
Rory.
How old are you?
Two.
2. Where's Daddy?
Daddy.
Where is he?
It's Daddy.
Where is Daddy?
It's Daddy.
Is he at work?
Daddy sippy.
No, he's not sleeping. He's at work.
See Daddy?
He's at work. Where's Dempsey?
Daddy.
He's outside.
Hi.
Yeah, outside.
It's Daddy.
What did you do at the gym today?
Heart.
You hit your head, didn't you? Did you bump your head? Yeah, Rob bumped Roy's head. Was it sore? Okay, let's do one more. What does the cat say?
Meow.
Can you say, bye, hoo-hoos?
Bye.